Hey, YouTube. It's your buddy Dave, Alabama Floats. December 8th. Supposed to hit 54 degrees today. Got a little sunshine. Good enough. 100% chance of rain tomorrow. Who knows what it'll look like the rest of the week, next week. I laid up sick all New Year's Eve. Excuse me, still hear the all that stuff going on in my head. So, didn't get to do a darn thing last weekend. So I figured today's my shot. Water's still up, very high from all the rains. Got a little current going. I'm on a creek I never fished before. We'll give it a shot, see what happens. Tiny little creek, it opens up downstream. Not sure how far I can make it. Hey, let's give it a shot. Throw some hooks, see what happens. Stick around. Let's pass up to more trees. See. Finally, YouTube. Took me 2 hours to get something in the boat. I'll take it. Look at you, little buddy. Hitting me right at the boat, man. I hear you. Come on in here, son. Come on. Come on. Dude. Be cool. Be cool. Be cool. Bro. Bro. Man. Fired up, son. Look at that. Fish number 2. Gosh. Darn tickled to see you. Little baby largemouth. Been missing fish left and right. Thanks, buddy. I missed 5 or 6 fish today. You swimming towards me or what? What's going on here? I'm just hauling ass in this wind. That's what I'm doing. Oh, there's a fish on it. Oh, buddy, you swallowed it. I'm sorry. The wind is moving so fast, I couldn't tell what was going on. Dang it. It's all right. And we're about to blow up in a tree, too. That's awesome. Get in the tree, man. Don't worry about it. If I can get it out of my hand. If I'm lucky. Yeah, I can. You didn't feel it. Oh, my bad. You didn't have it that bad. Alright, I'll get out of the tree first before we do anything. Get you some H2O through your gills. Yeah, someone tried to tear off your gills, son. In the world? Oh, come on. All right, there we go, you two. We got him. Somebody about tore his gill off. I'm not sure what happened there, but you're still eating, so maybe you're all right. Appreciate you anyway, little buddy. 3 fish in the boat, we'll take it. Slow day like this, we will take it. All right, YouTube, calling it a day. Already stayed 30 minutes later than I meant to. It took me 2 hours to get a fish in the boat. Still missed a bunch of hook sets. I don't know what was going on, but June bug was a trick today. Little curly tail worm. Oh, sorry. Curly tail worm's all it took. Got him in the boat. Anyway, hey, shout out to Big Chris Bogley. Bogley's keeping it real. See my new sticker right up here. Chris was kind enough to send me a sticker. He's always Giving shout outs to us little guys. Talking up our YouTube channels. It's sincerely appreciated. So Bogey's keeping it real. Gets front and center on my stern of fame. No, wait, that's not stern. It's bow. Whatever it is. Y'all get the idea. Anyway, hopefully we'll have some better weather next week. Get some more fishing done. Till then, y'all take it easy. We'll talk to you soon.